What's going on, guys? Jake here, back again. And guys, thanks so much for the spawned giveaways. Whoa, guys. But anyways, guys, I'm here with Wario. Say hello, Wario.
Hello, everyone. Wario time. Whoa, and we are back with the giveaway winners.
Yeah, guys. But anyways, guys, I'm really sorry that this video was delayed, guys. And do you want to know why this video was delayed? First of all, my internet's fucking shit. And in other words, guys, Wario's home got evicted. Wario, are you so sad?
It's so sad, Jake.
Yeah, guys. Well, anyways, let's go to the wheel now. I'm so excited. Let's go, Wario. Whoa! Alright, guys, now they're at the magic rainbow wheel, guys. Oh my god! Yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Say hi, Wario, if you're excited.
Hello, everyone. I'm so fucking excited. Let's fucking go.
Yeah, guys. But anyways, let's spin the wheel now. And guys, the winner is Nicholas77. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited, guys. Are you so excited for this person, Wario?
I'm so fucking excited, Jake. They better get their knives and wear them.
Yeah, guys. But anyways, I don't know how to contact this person except for using the one valid option, guys, and that's using Skype. So yeah, anyways, guys, I'll see you there. Bye in a second, guys. See you there.
See you there.
Alright, guys, now that we have Nicholas here, yeah, guys. Anyways, Wario traded all the awesome knives, as you can see here. Chroma Fang. Whoa. Yeah, guys, Wario, if I look into your inventory, no knives at all. Yeah, guys. Anyways, Wario, are you so excited for this person?
I'm so happy for him, Jake. Whoa.
Yeah, guys. But anyways, I wanted to do one more thing. And you wanted to stand in this Christmas tree. Go to report. Instead of swearing, go to bullying! Alright, guys, now that we're all here, yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I'm Wario. Much more of our videos!
Yeah.